Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Out Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha and today we are looking at something I was capable to salvage. So this is a box, a banana box of reel-to-reel tapes. So let's take a look what we got here. So this is something I try to salvage from people who don't want them. Obviously can be garbage, can be something useful. I actually already looked through some of them because I needed for my previous video related to reel-to-reel TIC A2300, but I did not check majority of all this stuff. So let's take a look together what we have here. This box is pretty heavy. So we have a bunch of different things. We're gonna just go from top to bottom and see. So this is actually not a tape, it's just an empty box. A bummer. I'm gonna put it here. Well, this is some heavy. So this looks like demonstration tape made by Philips. And here we are, demo popular and classical music, not for sale, made in Holland. This is actually awesome. Again, I'm not sure what is the condition of all this. There's lots of dust here, obviously. Not sure what the condition of everything here. So this is nice, real, dirty, but it seems to be straight, made by Brown. It's a take-up reel, let's say. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put this here. So we have lots, looks like we have lots of these thingies. Looks like they have some water damage right here. This is low noise, high output, special magnetoband. Spezial magnet. Oh, this is all in German. Oh, they have some. Okay, these are open, so these are not new. They have some recording on them. Looks like those are large 22 centimeters reels, 100 meters. Okay. There are many of them. Oh, this one is completely open. Hope it's didn't get any. Tango. Ein Abend im Lande Zhiwagos. And this is about something Dr. Zhivago? I don't know. Yeah, looks like they have water damage here, so again, I'm not sure if it's ruined the tape or not. Again, Haydn, Handel. So this looks like classical recordings. I'm not sure how and on what equipment they were made of. Yeah, again, more water damage here. Oh, this is nice. This at least was in a for re-recording. This one seems to be empty because it says for re-recording. Oh wow, there's more of these guys. So this, okay, I'm gonna finish with this brown stuff. Deutsche Grammophon Gazelle. Okay, well, this one is not in a bag, which is kind of unfortunate because I hope being like sitting like that and all sorts of moisture, water damage didn't damage these tapes because it looks like they are pretty awesome. Again, another one. Oh, joyous music for Christmas time. It's amazing. This at least probably something in English, not in German. This is in, oh, this is nice. Oh wow, this is new. Yeah, this one is brand new. It's still sealed. That's amazing. Oh, I think it's another one. So another sealed one. Yep. That's very good. We have a few more. Oh my. Another sealed one. Oh, this says new, clearly. This one says new. So new. So we have about 5. And this probably new as well, I assume. Yes. We have about 5 new this brown. Wow. This is, I think, score. Like, okay, I'm not sure what the condition of the used ones, but new ones being sealed in the plastic, it's actually good. Okay, so a whole bunch of take-up reels. seems to be they are in okay shape. So yeah, different brands, BASF, what is this? Agfa, what is that? No name. And the Philips, it's good, it's amazing. Then we have BASF tape in this little neat packaging. This one seems to be 5-inch wheel, so yeah, that's cool. Curious what on those. Then we have a whole bunch of these things. Hey, well, that one, just to be honest, was already featured in a video. So this one is probably my favorite because I've never seen the Agfa tape. And it's indeed has top 20 radio recording from 1972, which is amazing. These, what is that? How to open this one? This is a different kind. There is a tape of a sort, but unclear what's on it. With little kind of yucky stuff. Okay, it says mono recording. What's in here? Okay, it's a BASF tape. Is it BASF container? Yes, it is! Okay, that's correct then. That should go in here. Yeah, and I have to obviously listen to any of these. Oh, this one is empty, but the container is amazing. So it's a Scotch 212, but again, it's just empty container. Okay, just straight out of here we have a whole bunch of empty containers. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not sure what they use, and I'm not sure what the brand. It says nothing. Unknown, but looking nice actually. Maybe it's aftermarket stuff. So then we have a whole bunch of these guys, which probably gonna fit in that particular container. So we have this Triton magnetic recording tape, and we have American recording tape of different kind. Have lots of this Triton stuff. Have 6 of them. Yep, 6 of them, of these Triton thingies. Okay, let me take a look. What is that? So this Triton, is it like new or something? No, it's not new because it's open, clearly. But it's tiny spool, probably, you know, 5 inches or something. Mylar long play. What does it say here? It's actually, wow, it's all marketing material right here. You have different kinds. Crimson seal, orange seal, purple seal, and green permaplay Mylar. Wow, it has different kinds. Orange seal. Looks like we have an orange seal here. It looks like it's made in Triton Electronics, New York. Oh, this is some kind of a marketing stuff. Name, reason on the, oh, this is like return warranty thing. And this offer expires December 31st, 1962. So these tapes are highly likely older than that, because maybe they are from 1961 or beginning of 1962. This is amazing. I'm just curious how they are. How are they? How? Okay, this one is open. Looks like it has some kind of water damage here, so yeah, it's not a good sign. Oh, this one is sealed. That's really good. Triton Electronics, Woodside 77, New York. That's a piece of American history, I guess. Oh, there's several of them are still sealed in the package. This one is open though. Okay, Triton stuff. So what do we have else here? Okay, then we have this 3M Scotch completely sealed. Not sure how good is this tape. Low noise Dynarange magnetic tape. Looks like it's a Canadian market because it has French. 3M Canada Limited, London, Canada, London, Ontario. Made in USA. Made in USA, but probably distributed by Canadian company. So what is this? Another scotch. Is this... what kind of scotch is this? I don't know. Doesn't say. Made in USA, Minnesota. Looks like it's one of those 211, 212, 213, 214. It's probably 212 again. It's 1800? Yeah, probably. It's probably similar to this one, yeah. Then we have another one. Oh, yo, let's look at this. It's cool. It's even the stickers here. Again, this one is... oh, this one is sealed. Yeah. Oh no, I'm my bad. It's not sealed. Okay, curious what's on those tapes and how are they? Whoops. Okay, here we have something very old. Scotch, another scotch, but really shady looking. It's like, yeah. What kind of scotch is this? Magnetic recording tape. 1801 mil, nothing else I can see here. That's it, it's all info, so I'm not sure what is that. Then we have two more brand new of these kinds. Are those similar? Yes. No, they are not. Different kind of container. Chipboard container inside. It's probably the same kind. Yeah, it's the same kind but different probably time. Different release. So I'm not sure what's the manufacturing date here, but at least it's all sealed. Then this is already look, and then we have a whole bunch of these containers. Again, probably someone just purchased them to move these in here. But yeah, it's 5 of small ones and 5 of big ones. That's pretty much all we have, and that's pretty much, that's neat. I'm not sure, what do you guys think about these? That's kind of a weird container, so that's probably good if you have bulk tapes without containers. But if you have like nice containers like these guys, I actually really like this cardboard container. That's actually looking pretty cool. So especially with this silvery 3M on it. I think that's pretty neat, so I like this a lot. Plus you have text here and things like that. Obviously this is just for spool, you cannot put this box inside in here. But so I like this. But for other ones, like for example this one is pretty shitty looking container, so technically this I can put in here, right? But again, oh, this is super mangled tape. Oh my. It's not too bad, but again, I'm not sure. Look at this, it's like really mangled. Someone actually chomped on it. Yeah. What? Yeah, there is some kind of issue with this particular tape, so we have to figure this out. So let's put it back in here, and then I'll figure this out. It's actually quite dusty here, so it all has to be cleaned up and things like that. Go back in. So that's, yeah, that's all we got. That's it. There is nothing, well, lots of dust and crud. So guys, what do you think? I think the biggest score here are those brown tapes right here. They are amazing, and I'm not sure about these Scotch tapes because some people say they have some kind of shading syndrome, which is they losing their magnetic coating and stuff like that. But again, it really depends on the brand, not on the brand, but on the model. Yeah, on the model of the tape. So yeah, again, I'm not sure if this is good or bad, but here we are. At least I have 3 of them completely sealed and 2 for experiments are open. That particular Philips demo tape is probably one of the best things I have, because that's professional recording of something I don't have, and because I'm gonna use that particular one to play on my newly restored TIAC deck, because I don't have any other good source of good music, right? So that's the biggest issue. So far, that's it. So guys, if you wanna, you know, please, if you wanna save some of these tapes, similar to what I do, please poke around around your local local marketplaces and flea markets and things like that. Sometimes people just give these things up because they don't need. They collect dust on their attics and things like that. Yeah. So it's actually quite useful to save these tapes from the dumpster, because these days it's a lot of hassle to actually keep these, work with them and play any music and record, because this takes too much time and it's not mainstream anymore. But if you are into analog music, this is a score. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment.